Good evening, viewers. I am Dr. Satyanarayana. In this video, we are going to discuss about the cash budget. First, I will be giving you the meaning of cash budget. Cash budget is the estimation of cash receipts and cash payments and the balance of cash during a specific period. Actually, cash budget means it is nothing but it is the estimation of the cash receipts and the cash payment. How much cash we will be receiving in our hand. So that is what is the cash receipts. How much cash that we will be, how much cash payment that we will be making. So how much sales that we will be making for 1 month. How much purchases that we will be making from the suppliers. And then how much wage that we will be making a payment to the workers, how much rent that we will be paying, how much dividend that we will be paying, interest will be paying. So estimation of all the future estimation of all the cash receipts and the cash payments is what is called as cash budget. Now, uh, the main aim of the preparing the cash budget is we have to provide the cash uh, at the time of requirement. That is very very important. We have to we need to have a right amount of cash at the right time for meeting the demand of the customers. That is very very important. So if the demand for the particular product is very high, means we want to buy the raw materials, if we want to buy the machinery to produce that particular product, means at that time we need to have a fund. So right time. So if we are not having the insufficient fund, means we may not be meeting the demand of the consumers. Or if we may be having the sufficient fund, and then if we are not properly utilizing, means that is then we will be under the risk of surviving in the business. So cash receipts and cash payment estimate, cash budget is nothing but it is the future estimation about the cash receipts and the cash payment. So mainly with a view to avoid excessive cash in our hand. So that will enhances our risk. In order to minimize that particular risk, we need to plan in such a manner with a view to have the right amount of cash at the right time for meeting the demand of the consumer. That is very very important. That is all about the concept of the cash budget. Now, let us move on to the problem. Please see this problem. XYZ company wishes to arrange OD facilities with its bankers during the period April to June. April to June, when it will be manufacturing mostly for stock. Prepare cash budget for the above period from the following data. Month February to June they have given. You are going to prepare the cash budget only for 3 months ranging from April to June. April, May and June. For 3 months only you are going to prepare the cash budget. Now, three information they have given. Sales, purchases and wages. As I told, so cash budget means there are two components available. One is the cash receipts, the other one is the cash payment. See, cash receipts means, so if we are selling any product to the consumer, whether it is the cash sales or whether it is the credit sale, so you will be receiving the money from the customer, right? So that comes under the cash receipts. Cash payment means if you are purchasing the goods from the supplier, whether it is the cash purchases or credit purchases, so you will be making the purchases from the supplier, you will be making certain payment to the supplier, so that is the cash payment. If you are paying the wages to the employees or the workers, so that is the cash payment. Or if you are paying the rent to the landlord, that is the payment. If you are paying the dividend to the shareholders, that is the cash payment. You are paying the interest to the interest on investment to your bank, so that is also interest on loan, so that also comes under the cash payment. So if you are receiving interest on investment from the bank, so that comes under the cash receipts. Okay, now here cash at 50 percentage of credit sale is realized in the month following the sale, and the other 50% in the second month following. See here, 50% of credit sale is realized in the month following the sale. Following the sale means, suppose if you sold the goods in the February month means, for February month transaction, you will be receiving the money from the customer March. That is what is called as in the month, realized in the month following the sale. So 1 month lag, 1 month lag. So if you sell the goods in the month of February means you will be receiving the money from the customer in the month of March. If you make the sale in the month of March means you will be receiving in the month of April. If you sell in the month of April means you will be receiving in May. If you sell in the month of May means you will be receiving in June. That is what is the meaning of 50% of credit sale is realized in the month following the sale, month following the sale. So if you sell in the month of February means very next month itself, following the sale, very next month itself, you will be receiving the money from the customer. So that is what is called as lag in 1 month. Lag, 1 month lag in receiving the payment from the customer. 1 month lag. And other 50% in the second month following. Second month means, see, first 50 percentage, if you make the sale in the month of February means, first 50 percentage you have received in March itself. Thus, remaining 50 percentage you have received in April. So, when we do the problem, you can understand everything. Wages are paid at the end of the respective month. Okay, there is no lag in the payment of wages. So April month wage paid in the April itself. May paid in the May itself. June paid in the June itself. There is no lag. And then cash at bank, 1st April to rupees 25,000. So this opening balance should come under the cash receipts. Okay. Now let us start working out the problem. Now you have to write the heading as cash budget for the months April, May and June. Like this, you have to first give the heading. Now, serial number, particulars, April, May, June. Okay, fine. Now, first you have to write the opening balance. Okay. So in the question they have given cash at bank 1st April is 25,000. Opening balance of cash or opening cash balance 25,000. Okay. Here and all you don't fill anything. April month closing balance will be the opening balance for the May. May month closing balance will be the opening balance for June. That we will deal later. After opening balance, cash receipts. Cash receipts. Now, under that, you see the question. 50% of the credit sale is realized in the month following the sale, and the other 50% in the second month following. Okay. Now, all of you please make a note. See here, sales. You take the sales only. Okay. You take the sales only. February 1,80,000. February 1,80,000. March 1,92,000. April 1,08,000. May 1,74,000. June 1,26,000. Now here first 50% of the credit sale. Okay, here see the question. 50% of the credit sale is realized in the month following the sale. Now first 50% of the credit sale. Suppose you are going to prepare the cash budget for the month of April, May, June. March month credit, 50% of the March month credit sale have been realized in the month of April. 50% of the April month credit sale have been realized in the month of May. 50% of the May month credit sale have been realized in the month of June. Okay. 1,92,000 into 50%, use the calculator. 96,000. 1,08,000 into 50%, 1,74,000 into 50%. Use the calculator. Now, the second 50%, the remaining and the other 50% in the second month following. The second month following means, see, February month sale you have received only in the April. March month, May. April month, June. Second month means 2 months lag. 2 months lag. That is February you are getting in April. March you are getting in May. April you are getting in June. Okay, this is what. Now so here February 50% of the 1,80,000 February month. Yep, 90,000. And then 50% of 1,92,000. Yes. 50% of 1,08,000. This 54,000. Okay. Please see this working. So this is 1 month lag. Second, 50% credit sale. 2 months lag. Okay. Here, while you are writing the cash receipts, first one credit sale. You have to write it as credit sale. So here, as far as this particular problem is concerned, there is no cash sale, only credit sale. Number one. First, 50% amount realized hyphen 1 month lag. Okay. You have to write 96,000, 54,000, 96,000, 54,000, 87,000. Okay. April 96,000, May 54,000, June 87,000. Ensure whatever you have written is right or wrong. You have to ensure. And then second 50% amount realized. 2 months lag. Now 2 lag means delay. 90,000, 96,000, 54,000. 90,000, 96,000, 54,000. Now, is there any other cash receipts as far as this particular problem is concerned? You see, only sale is there. Creditors are paid in the month following the month of Creditors are paid in the month following the month of purchase. Cash payment. Wages are paid at the end of the respective month. That is also the cash payment. Okay. Creditors are paid in the month following the month of purchase means, so this purchase aspect you have to take into the consideration. Credit sale means sale made to the customer. This sales aspect you have to take into the consideration. Creditors means we have purchased from the supplier. This purchases we have to take into the consideration. And then wages, purchases, wages, both are expenditure only, cash payment only. Now, here creditors are paid in the month following the month of purchase. See here, following the month of purchase or following the month of sale. If you come across in the examination means it is nothing but 1 month lag, 1 month delay. 2 months following the purchase means 2 months lag, 2 months delay, like that. Okay. Second month following means 2 months lag, 2 months delay. So following the month of purchase means here they have not mentioned any number, right? Following the month of purchase means this month you have purchased, next month you are paying. That is what is the meaning. Okay. Now, directly I am telling. Working hours is not at all needed. Directly I am telling. So here we are preparing the cash budget for the month of April, May, June. Okay. So in the April month, if you write it as 2,43,000 means your answer will become affected. Your answer will be wrong. So here March month you have purchased from the supplier. You are giving this 1,44,000 in the month of April only. So April month you have purchased for 2,43,000. You are paying this 2,43,000 only in the month of May. In the May month you have purchased for 2,46,000 that you are paying only in the month of June. Okay. Please take this into the consideration. 1 month delay. Now, cash payment. Number one, credit purchases. Write it as credit purchases and 1 month lag. 1 month lag. Like that you have to write. That is March month 1,44,000. 2,43,000. 2,46,000. 2,43,000. 2,46,000. We are going to prepare the cash budget only for April, May and June. For June month, you have purchased for 2,68,000 that you will be paying only in the subsequent month. That is only in the month of July. That is not needed for us now. Okay, we are preparing the cash budget only up to June. Okay, we need not worry about that particular aspect. And then wages are paid at the end of the respective month itself. No worry, no confusion. April month wage have been paid in April itself. May month wage have been paid in May itself. June month wage have been paid in June month itself. Okay, so no confusion. 11, 10, 15. 11,000 for April. 11,000 for April. 10,000 for May and 15,000 for June. Is there any other transaction? We have completed this. We have completed this sale. We have completed this purchases. We have completed this wages also. And then The second subdivision belongs to sales and purchases. Third subdivision belongs to the wages. And fourth subdivision also we have completed. We don't have any other extra information as far as this particular problem is concerned. Now, all of you kindly listen. See here, first, now, all of you take the calculator with you. 25,000 plus 96,000 plus 90,000. 2,11,000. So 1,44,000, 11,000. 1,55,000. Now write it right here as closing balance of cash. 2,11,000 minus 1,55,000. 56,000. Okay. Here, as far as April month is concerned, cash receipts is more than the cash payment. In such a situation, no OD. Okay. So, that is April month closing balance will be the opening balance for subsequent month, May. April month closing balance will be the opening balance for the month of May. Now, 56,000 plus 54,000 plus 96,000. 2 lakhs, 2,06,000. Now, 2,43,000 to 53, 2,53,000. You see here, cash receipts is 2,06,000 only, whereas cash payment is 2,53,000. How much is the difference? 47,000. Don't write it as minus 47,000. Within bracket, if you write it as 47,000 means it will be construed as the minus 47,000. Closing balance for the month of May will be the opening balance for the month of June. Now, you have to be very careful. Minus 47,000 plus 87,000 plus 54,000. That is 94,000. Okay. And then cash payment 2,46,000 plus 15,000. 2,61,000. 2,61,000. Here also you see cash receipts is only 94,000, whereas cash sale is 2,61,000. You see. Minus 1,67,000. Just a moment. Yes. So here you have to write it as total cash payments. That's all. So this is the solution for this particular problem. Please take a screenshot. So overdraft, negative balance if you get means that is the overdraft. Positive balance if you get means that is normal. So the cash payment is more than the cash receipts means then it will be overdraft and vice versa. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.